Yo, what's going on, guys? Anthony here. Welcome back to another video with one of the most highly requested tutorials that I've ever had on my channel, which is how to create high converting product images for your Shopify store. You guys will not stop asking about how to do this in the comments, and you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create high converting product images. There are 6 key images that every website needs to have if you want to have a chance at converting at a high conversion rate. I'm going to show you exactly how I design these in Canva, starting from scratch with a product that I found on AliExpress, going into Canva, editing everything together, and then at the end, I'm going to give you the template for completely free. So let's not waste time and jump straight in. But really quick before we do, I do want to remind you that God's Your Ecom, my private course and community, is currently open for enrollment. We're trying to make a push to win the school game. So if you want access to my complete masterclass that shows you step by step everything you're going to learn in this video and more to make your first $1,000 a day with branded dropshipping, then check out the first link in the description. There's 3 weekly Q&As, a free one-on-one coaching call, and over $1,000 worth of free shared spy tool accounts and other resources and themes and all that good stuff. So there's a 7-day money back guarantee if you want to try it out. And if you hate it, you can get your money back. So that being said, check out the first link in the description if you're interested and you're serious about starting your first branded dropshipping business. Otherwise, let's dive straight into the video. So this is the product that we're going to be building our product images off of. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new Canva template really quick so we can start to do this. So well, let's see. Let's ChatGPT. Okay. All right. Shit. All right, so before we actually dive into creating the images, I'm going to show you the product that we're working with, which is this neck, shoulder, and cervical traction device, basically a way to get rid of neck pain. And the 6 main images that you want to have on your site: number 1, your title image or your hero image, which is basically the main product image against a white background. Then you want to have a problem solution image, a how it works image, a feature collage with basically all of the features of the product. Lastly, a social proof image, and then after that, size and material, so people can kind of see exactly how the thing looks or can get a feel of how it would look if they were to hold it in their hand. So let's start up here at the top using the title image and the hero image, and let's go ahead and create that now. So let's jump straight in. And if we go to our main listing, pretty much every AliExpress product will have a central white background image. And this is pretty much good enough on its own to use for your main hero image. If you look at any e-commerce site, the first image is always against a white background because that should be the introductory image. What is the actual product in as clear of a background as possible? So let's go ahead and add this into our templates really quick and do that just like that. And yes, this is good enough for your first hero image. So now that we have the hero image, let's move on into our next image. Okay. And the next image is going to be the problem solution image. This is basically where we're going to take a image from AliExpress and then throw on a headline, which should be the main desired outcome, or either main desired outcome or main value proposition of the product. So as you can see, if I go back to AliExpress, we've got a very nice lifestyle image here that we can take, and it only needs a couple tweaks for us to be able to make this look even better. So there's our sort of lifestyle image. And then we're going to go ahead and add a heading to this as well. And we're going to put the heading up at the top. You can actually lower this a bit. Actually, let's go like that. Okay. All right. So we've gone ahead and created an alternative hero image. And this is something that you can use in addition to this main hero image. Let's say if your AliExpress image isn't quite as good as this one, then what you can do is basically what I've done here, which is, where is it? I have gone to this, this image here. I took a screenshot of this variant, threw it back into Canva, used the background remover functionality, and then I added this really cool sort of gradient here. And very simple, all you gotta do is select a gradient, and then I change the colors to blue or this teal and then white. Gives it this kind of like, cool looking effect where it looks super professional. And then after that, we've gone ahead and done the problem solution image as well, which we've taken directly from our AliExpress listing. Geez, I have so many listings open. This lifestyle image here, we've gone ahead and turned that into our problem solution image where we say years of neck pain gone in seconds. So as you can see already with just these 3 images alone, we have something that looks pretty solid in my opinion. So the next thing that we're going to work on is, let's check our thing here. Let's go through the how it works image and take care of that. Okay, so for the how it works section, well, actually, all right, so for the how it works image, I've gone ahead and grabbed another, I need to just close out some of these tabs. I've grabbed an image that is pulled directly from AliExpress. And what I'm gonna do here is use the background remover, or sorry, not the background remover. I actually like the image as a whole, but I do wanna get rid of some of these things up here so I can add my own elements to it. So I'm gonna use the edit function, and then I'm gonna do the magic eraser. I'm gonna put this on a huge brush size and just get rid of these things here so I can replace them with my own headline there. So now I have this really cool image that basically is showing how the product works. And I'm going to angle it such that that caption there at the bottom is actually still there, because I actually do think the caption makes sense for this image. I'm going to stretch that out a little bit. Call this the how it works image, just like that. And then I'm going to grab a headline here, just like this. And then let's go ahead and type in this headline. Okay, so now for the how it works image, I've gone ahead and added this headline: reduces pressure and restores your spine. Next, let's go ahead and create a benefits and features list image. So to do that, we're gonna grab this ideally main image of our product with the background removed and borrow it again for this point here. And we're gonna change this to, we'll just say benefits of neck cloud. Okay, just like that. And we'll go ahead and make this black as well. Okay, and then benefits of using the neck cloud, and we'll go, it is a massive, like the actual image itself is pretty massive, but then we're gonna do some benefits here now as well. Actually, let's move this guy over to the right, and we're gonna add on a little bit of shadow to this just to make it jump a tad. Okay, let's see if we can find one that, that looks bad. Okay, thinking the drop looks actually pretty good. So let's bring down the intensity of that. We just want a slight shadow like that. And then now let's go ahead and list out some benefits. So we're gonna grab a headline just like that. Actually, we can just copy this one over here. We're gonna make this align left, and we're going to add in some benefits. So let's go ahead and do that now. Benefits/features. Let's make this a little smaller. That way we can fit it. Let's go for like 28 here. And then let's go ahead and do some check marks as well. So let's grab some check boxes. We'll grab this checkbox here, and then we'll color match the checkbox to our blue that we're using just to make it really pop. And we'll go for a little bit of a more vibrant blue since we're using a white background here. And we're gonna reduce this down. And now using this, let's stretch that out a little bit. Let's go ahead and add in some benefits. All right, so we've added in some benefits and features to this benefit/feature breakdown. So let's call that benefits/features call out. So now we have listed essentially the main benefits and primary features of the product that our customers should care about. So we have alleviates neck pain, reduces spinal pressure, restores spinal alignment, elastic material, and targeted pressure points. Feel free, obviously, to replace these with the main benefits of your image, of your product. All right, next we're gonna move on to the social proof image. Now, to get the social proof image materials and assets, you can very simply find a comparable product on Amazon, and then we can create this UGC. Alternatively, you can also take, you order the product yourself, give it to friends and family, and take a couple pictures that we're gonna use to create this social proof image. All right, so to create the social proof image in Canva, we're gonna grab these frames just like this. And depending on how many images you have will dictate how many actual photos you put in this. So I have 6 images that I wanna use for this. So I'm just going to put in 3 frames up here at the top. Now, obviously I'm kind of overshooting this. So let's reduce the size of that, and throw that guy in there as well. Obviously that looks a little funny. So what we're gonna do is get him in the middle and then increase the size of those images. And then we'll just bring this down just like that. And now all we got to do is throw on our images. So let's do that now. All right. So as you can see, we've added in the actual images themselves, and we have this really cool collage of all these different people using the product. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more to this to make it really stand out and really draw attention to the social proof. All right. So as you can see, we've added in some text to the social proof image here up at the top. So let's just call this social proof image. And now you are going to get access to this template. Bear in mind that I did go ahead and adjust the actual images to be much, much, much darker, just because on their own, the white was having trouble popping off the background. But as you can see, all I did was basically put my brand name here. I put the 5-star icon and then 2,400 plus reviews, or you could do 200 plus happy customers, whatever you want to do. And so now let's take a look through all of the images that we have. And honestly, it's looking really solid. So we've got our hero image. This could be option 1, hero image 2, if you're doing more of a pain relief type of product. We've got our problem solution image, which basically just says what the product is, what it does, and what problem it solves. Then we have the how it works image, which should demonstrate or explain what's actually happening to achieve what's happening here. So we get years of neck pain gone in seconds by reducing pressure and restoring the spine. We have our very simple benefits and features breakdown stack here. And then lastly, we have our social proof image. And that is it, guys. These are, in my opinion, the minimum viable product pages that every store should have. You can do more than this. You can grab product images from Amazon. You can copy and mirror your competitors. But at a bare minimum, every store should have at least every single one of these images that you see on screen, especially the social proof one, because as a dropshipper, the biggest objection that you have to overcome is the objection of trust. So having really clean and really well-structured product images that are not only looking good, but they're also selling your customer on the product. And the product images you could think of as basically your physical storefront, and how people are kind of window shopping through the internet. When you can't walk into a physical store, what most people are going to do is swipe through the images, and most of your traffic is going to swipe through the images. So our product images are essentially a funnel for our customers. We're selling them on the product. We're explaining to them the value proposition, what they're going to get, how it works, the benefits, and then building that trust by showing other people have tried this product in the past and they've gotten the same benefits that the customer is looking to get, or they've escaped some type of pain that customer is also looking to get away from. So that is going to do it for this video. If you want access to this full template and all of these images that I just produced, it'll be linked in the description. So you can literally copy paste this into your site and start editing and creating some really awesome looking product images. So that's going to do it for this video. Again, if you want to get access to God Through Ecom, my private course and community, the price is the lowest it will ever be, because we're trying to make a push to win the school games. So you'll get access to my complete masterclass that shows you how to do everything I did in this video and more, on top of a whole slew of other bonuses, weekly Q&A calls, product research calls, a one-on-one coaching call, and like $1,000 worth of free tools and all that good stuff. So if you want access to that, check out the first link in the description. Otherwise, hope you got a ton of value out of this video. Start making some better product images, and wherever you are in the world, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.